Okay, welcome to my video. This is one of my favorite trailers over time. It's the Summit 40 TLFD double loft front end, blue with white shutters and white trim. This is a CKCL. I didn't have a sticker in the window. Anyhow, as you can see, it's a half loft. No step down into the master. House type rear entry door. 56,000 BTU furnace. Nice big master bedroom, queen bed, mirrored closets. Let's see if we can look at the bathroom. I got my fisheye lens on. That's really the only way you get to look at the bathrooms in these. So anybody doesn't like fisheye, that's why we're filming in fisheye. Because otherwise, you don't get to see the shower tub, the linen closet, or the house toilet. Okay. Well, we're going to keep these walkthroughs short and sweet. And this is a Summit 40 CKCL. Center kitchen, rear loft. Nice looking trailer. Everything in it comes with it. Extended dormer, nice ceiling fan. That's my short, quick video of the 2019 Summit 40 CKCL.